Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing and using this BETOOLL 44-piece tire repair kit that I got on Amazon. Alright, let's open it up. Comes in a nice case, which is the main reason I bought it, because I want to use it for my side-by-side. And I want to have everything in this case. So, here we go. Oh wow, those look those look a lot beefier than the ones that I saw in the slime kit. Alright, let's look and see what's actually in the kit. You have your setter tool. Actually, let me read the instructions real quick so this is a proper video. Okay, so after looking at the instructions, I immediately realized that there's no lubricant in here. So I'm going to have to contact the seller just to make sure. I'll unpackage these while I'm here. Looks like we have 5 each, so a total of 30 plugs. Looks like we got 2 Allen keys, a valve stem puller, 4 replacement valve stems, and 2 of these rubber repair screws, and then the reamer and the inserter tool. But yeah, there is no lubricant in here, which I think is tire cement, but I need to contact the seller. Okay, so I contacted the seller and they sent me a second kit. The exact same as the first, because they don't sell just the lubricant. So that was pretty awesome of them. I got spares. They sent it to me in like 4 days. Pretty cool. But this is the lubricant. So I thought it was going to be a mistranslation of rubber cement, but it is literally like a wax lubricant. So there's no rubber cement in this kit, which isn't totally necessary because they're like vulcanized rubber or whatever, but I like rubber cement. So this kit's almost complete, I guess. The one thing I would want to have in it is something like this, these rubber patches. This is by Slime, and they're just like flat rubber patches that would actually be better for patching a sidewall because it comes with rubber cement. And these are $6.99. And I actually looked in the same section and they have a tire plug kit by Slime that's like $6.99. But the kit from Slime, like I said, doesn't have the super nice case. So I am literally going to dump this box of patches inside this nice case. So I have everything I need. Alrighty, now it's a complete kit. Now I have everything I could possibly need out on the trail. Rubber cement for my side-by-side. Come on, get in there. All set. So while this kit is missing a few things, like the patches, I think it's a pretty good deal. And I'm not affiliated with the seller at all. It just happened to be the one that was on Amazon that I could get in a day, which is ironic because it actually took another few days to get because of that missing piece, but here we are. So I'm going to try to do this repair in the ATV tire. It's in the sidewall, so it's a really tough test. I don't expect it to work, and you should never repair a sidewall on anything that goes on the streets, just, you know, off-road. I'm just going to try to use this to snowplow since it's the first warm day we've had in Michigan. I'd like to try to plow. Alright, sorry about the lighting, but can't be helped. Yeah, that definitely made the leak worse. Okay. So, put this stupid thing in here. Trying to stab myself in the eye. Pull it through. Okay, we're pulled through. Alright, let's see what happens here. Alright, so that's about 1/2 inch. Push in on this tool, pull this out. There we go. That's a plug. Looks like it might be holding. Okay, so it's been about a week and a half, 2 weeks now. The plug is working, but it's losing air like every 3 days. It used to lose all of its air after like a half hour, so progress. So I got the replacement kit with the lubricant in it, and it really was just lubricant. I thought it might have been rubber cement, so I didn't really even need the lubricant because it worked just fine without it. But now I'm going to do another plug, but with the rubber cement that I got from a slime kit. So I'm going to get one more plug ready, put it in a little hole. It's amazing to me how cold it is out here and how pliable these plugs are. Okay, there we go. Got the plug. Got the plug through finally. Whew. I'm going to put the rubber cement all over this bad boy. Put over the old one too, why not? Can never have too much rubber cement. Alright, so where was it leaking? Right there under it. So, in goes this. Ooh, almost went all the way through. And this handy thing keeps you from pulling the plug out. Ooh, there we go. With 2 plugs now. Alright, and looks like we just sprung a leak on the other side too. This is on the other, it's on the passenger side tire. Let's plug this one. So, of course, my light dies. But it looks like we have 2 holes here. Oh, this is a really strong piece of metal. Oh. I think I just put it in the tire. Yep. The plug is in the tire. I got her. Oh, I stopped the leak. Thanks for watching.